Today's video is on the top 3 best contact papers for kitchen cabinets. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget, Blackwood, self-adhesive, and removable wallpaper. Ready to give your space a fresh new look? This Blackwood wallpaper might be just what you need. It comes in a convenient roll. Size of 17.7 inches by 118 inches, which covers about 14.5 square feet per roll. Made from durable vinyl and PVC, this peel and stick wallpaper gives you a realistic wood feel without all the hassle. Let's talk features. Not only does it look like real wood, but it's also waterproof and oil-proof, making it super easy to clean. It's thick, wear-resistant, and has strong coverage, so you can confidently use it on almost any surface without worrying about it fading or getting damaged. Speaking of surfaces, this wallpaper is versatile. Whether you're looking to update your kitchen counter, backsplash, furniture, or even a notebook or drawer, this stuff has got you covered. It's perfect for breathing new life into old surfaces or giving something new a durable, stylish finish. Installation? Easy peasy. Just pick the size you need, cut along the grid on the back, peel, and stick. Got some air bubbles? No problem. Just pop them with a needle to get that smooth finish. A quick tip before you start. Make sure the surface is clean and dry. As you peel off the backing, go slow and stick it onto the smooth surface to avoid the wallpaper sticking to itself. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to transform your space. Keep in mind that if you're tackling a larger area, you'll need multiple rolls to get the job done. But don't worry, it's worth it. Press that subscribe button like you're flattening out the last air bubble. Number 2. Best overall Cosnite wood grain contact paper peel. Imagine transforming your space with a simple peel and stick. That's exactly what this waterproof PVC wood grain wallpaper offers. This self-adhesive removable wallpaper is a breeze to install on most flat and dry surfaces. Just peel and stick, and if you change your mind or need to reposition it, don't worry, it won't leave any glue behind. Speaking of details, each roll of wood grain wallpaper is 17.7 inches wide and 118 inches long, covering a solid 12.86 square feet. And if you've got a larger area to cover, they've got bigger rolls available too, so you can get a seamless finish without the hassle of splicing. The surface is film coated, making it not only durable but also resistant to fading. Where can you use this? Just about anywhere with a smooth surface. From living room and bedroom walls to desks, cabinets, countertops, drawers, laundry rooms, and even bathrooms, this wallpaper is perfect for meeting all your decorative needs. They've upgraded the thickness of this wood grain wallpaper using a new thickened PVC material that easily covers up any original background. It's tough enough to prevent see-through issues, giving you a flawless finish every time. One thing to note though, because of different lighting and monitor displays, the color might look slightly different in person. So if you're planning a big project, we recommend buying enough rolls in one go to keep the look consistent. And hey, if you have any questions or run into any issues, they're just a message away, ready to help. Number 1. Our pick. Practical W's marble wallpaper. Looking to give your space a fresh look without breaking the bank? This marble wallpaper might be just what you need. This wallpaper comes in a convenient size, 23.6 inches wide and 118.1 inches long, covering up to 19.3 square feet. Made from high-quality PVC, it's designed to give you the elegant appearance of real marble without the hefty price tag. And don't worry about needing extra glue, it's self-adhesive, so you can skip that messy step. Keep in mind that the actual color might vary slightly due to your screen display or lighting, but trust me, it's stunning in person. Installing this wallpaper is a breeze. Just peel off the backing paper and stick it onto any surface you want to transform. The grid lines on the back make cutting it into any shape a cinch, so you can customize it however you like. If you make a mistake, no worries. You can gently remove and reposition it without a hitch. This top quality marble wallpaper doesn't just look good, it's a game changer for anyone looking to renovate on a budget. Whether you want to breathe new life into old furniture or unleash your inner designer, this wallpaper will help you create brand new pieces with ease. You can apply it to almost any smooth surface. Think kitchen counters, furniture, notebooks, dresser drawers, crafts, bedside tables, bookcases, doors, or even walls. The possibilities are endless. They stand by the quality of their marble wallpaper, and your satisfaction is their top priority. If you run into any issues, they've got your back with a replacement or refund. Just shoot them an email and they'll make things right. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.